Shanghai Sturdyarmor New Material Technology Company Limited is located in Songjiang, industrial zone of Shanghai. We are a high-tech enterprise composed of doctors and masters, which can provide R&D and customization services for tactical vest. After 6 years of research and development of high-performance UHMWPE and aramid materials, our products have obtained 8 patent certificates. These materials can be processed into helmet, plate carrier, tactical vest, and stab-proof clothing. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced professional teams are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure most customers' satisfaction. What's more, our products have passed the NIJ test,